Okay, so I want to format my text. I want wrap text. This option is called wrap text equal 7. This one, wrap text, to let the text fit in the middle exactly, fit exactly in the cell. Like I write in the cell A1, my fitness shield. So I can click on this and then I go wrap text. Oh, wow. So as you can see, grid 7, he fit it for me, like he put it in the exactly in the cell A1 because I write it in the cell A1. I can change the cell widest from here. I can change the widest of the cell A1. I can make it like bigger. Okay. Or I can merge cell A and B and C and D. Like I select those 4 cells together and I have the option merge. Merge and center. I can merge 4 cells together and centerize them like this. And then I can change my text alignment, like put it in the middle. Now I can change the height of the cell, like put it back. This one is good. I can bold it, make it smaller a little bit, underline, as you like. Do I have a spelling mistake? My fitness, there is no double T, sorry. I feel that I have a spelling mistake. My fitness, F-I-T. My fitness, double S. S-H-E-D-U-L-E. S-H. S-E-D. Yes, I'm trying to fix my spelling mistake. Sorry, grade 7 for that. Now I think it's correct, right? Shelled, S-C-E-D-U-L-E. There is a E-D. E-D-U-A. So now it's correct. Sorry about that. Any question? Any question? I just go to cell A1. You want it to undo? I can undo for you. I go to cell A1 and then I write it in the cell A1, but I decided to merge it. Merge cell A and B and C 1. So I highlight both. I highlight all of those cells together and then I merge them from here. Merge and center. It helped me to merge them. And then I change the height of the cells like this. And then later on I format it. Okay. So I can undo. Redo. So I fix my spelling mistake. Fitness. From here, move the pointer. Move the pointer towards height. When you move the mouse pointer, change like to be like an arrows, so you can change it. And it's measured by pixels, by the way, measured by pixels. And the same for the width of the cells. The cell A1 was too wide. I can resize it again. Okay, Munir, that's good questions, grade 7. It's good to ask questions. Please ask me. These are borders, by the way, grade 7. Borders over here. Remember when we talk about borders and shading? I can add thick outside border. So this, yes, of course. Yes, no problem. As you like, Yanagam. I just wanted to format. I want to do Sigma 7. Bold, underline, italic, change the font size. I merge it. That's a good question. I merge. I select cells together. I can select more than that, by the way. I can highlight. Yes. This is the shading here, Yahya. These are shading. Do it like yes, Yahya. Do it, please. Yes, do it. Yes, write it. And you can write your favorite one, yeah, Yahya. Just write any kind of a sport. So I merge. The grade 7, it's very important to know how to merge. I merge. I select many cells together and I merge them. I can change the alignment also. Can I type inside them ICT grade 7 classwork, and I will let you share to show you check your work at grade 7. Let me mention the pages number. Got a message. Mayar. Oh, good. Bravo, Mayar. Very smart, mashallah. Yes? Yes? No problem, no problem. No problem. You can do this later on. Yeah. Send a copy with Miss Moda. Don't forget to do that. But it's very important to know how to insert row, how to insert column, delete, merge, wrap text. Okay, I will let you share. Format your text bold, italic, underline, outside border. Yes? I know you know, but I need you to share it with me. It's very, I know you know, and it's just smart boys and girls, but you have to share it, Brisaban. It's very important to share it with me. Yes? Good, good. I'm happy for you.